All right, today we got above ground pool LED light, and this one is a little shape as a little whale. If you guys can see that, they give you instructions where to download the application, because you do need an app to control the light. Now this is great if you're gonna have a pool party, you're gonna have music. It actually goes with the tone of the music or changes the color that you want. So we're gonna test this out today and see how beautiful it looks at night. So they give you a couple metal magnets in the back, so if you do have a metal area to magnetize this, you could set this up on the pool. Plenty of ribbon, plenty of slack, so you guys could hang this. And of course they give you the hanging metal rod, so you could hang this with it's metal and it's cover protected with plastic, so it's not easy to tear off. So we're gonna set this up, and we're gonna set up a couple of them and see how beautiful they look at night. So let's go ahead and do that. Let's take a look at the controllers itself. You could change the color on the pool. You guys can see that. Different tones. You could add music too. We'll put the volume down. It starts playing it. Pause it. Make your own music. It has other options, but this is my favorite one pretty much.